Hi, this is Sydney Otte in Brother Merrill's COMM 130 class for visual media. So our final project for the semester was to take a previous project and revamp it, revitalize it, to use some of the design principles we learned throughout the semester in this project. So the one I decided to revamp was my magazine project as well as the corresponding layout, page layout. So this is the cover of my old magazine. You can see it has kind of a gradient in the color text here. It's for Discovery Channel. It's a very simple design, and I brought that design over to the page layout. So this was my old design, and I decided to revamp and change it a little bit by making the Discovery Channel logo larger, as well as a color that would fit in and complement the background photo. So that's why I changed it to orange, and I also took that color dropped orange into the text, the article titles, and words that I thought were important to the message that this magazine is, or that this edition of this magazine is presenting. I also added some more repeating elements. I wanted more of a cohesive feel between the magazine cover as well as the page layout. So I grabbed these orange bars here. I put them there first, and then I grabbed them and put them into my page layout. So those orange bars underline the title of my article as well as denote the ending of a paragraph. So I added those for cohesiveness, as well as to make this page layout easier to read. I decreased the word count and increased the type size. So it's, instead of a 12-point, it's a 14-point font. And another thing that I did for this cover was just to, I really played around with alignment. I wanted you to be able to see more of like a negative space, so I really worked on the negative space with the new cover versus the old cover. And that leads me to, I think one of the main things I've learned during this semester is just the power of negative space, the power of simple and clean designs, less is more. So what I think I've most succeeded in and grown in is just having the ability to play around with the Adobe suite and just find out what designs are aesthetically pleasing to me, as well as, which helps me create my own style, as well as adhere to the design principles that we learned in this class. The main takeaway I have from this class is that everyone has a very individual design. I learned so many things from my peers in the class, and I got to see their style as well as have my own. And I think that is the value that this class has brought to me so much, is I can look at someone else's design and see parts of it that I like, parts of it that I might have wanted to change, and how to make it my own style. So I really appreciate this class, and I'm so excited to submit my final project. Thank you.